Hey guys, it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video I will be doing the unboxing of this Digitech wired microphone that you can buy for yourself, and also will be showing you that what are the box contents that you will be getting inside it. And so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. And please make sure that you watch this video till the end so that you get a clear idea about how the voice quality actually is for this kind of microphones and should you purchase it for yourself. And so let's start. I will be posting the purchase link of this particular microphone in my description box down below. If you want, you can directly go and purchase it from there as well. And please make sure that you watch this video till the end so that you get a clear idea about how the voice quality is for this kind of microphone, because I will be doing a test basically to show you that how the sound quality or the actual quality of this microphone is, how it is, and whether is it worth buying or not. And so you please stay tuned. As you can see that I ordered it from Amazon, and the packaging, as you can see that it looks like this. So first let me cut it open and see what else we get inside it. And so let's cut this thing up and see what else we get inside it. And so okay, so inside we get a bill. It is of no use for now, let me keep it aside. And so this is how the packaging actually looks like. I personally ordered it from Amazon, and this one is from the brand called Digitech. As you can see, it is a very well known brand, and the reviews were also good for this particular microphone, so that's why I purchased it. And so let me open it up and show you what else we get. So here, as you can see that you will find this kind of lid. You need to just pull it up like this, and you need to just open it, I guess. Let me see. Okay, so this is how it opens, and so it actually comes with this kind of case, so it is a very good option. Previously I was using this microphone that is from the brand called Smashtronics, that is this one. I already made unboxing video and a test of this particular microphone on my channel. If you haven't checked that video out yet, you can definitely go and check it out. I will be giving the link in the description box down below. But actually I used it for 3 to 4 months hardly, but after that it stopped working. I don't know why, and so I decided to purchase this one. But it didn't came with this kind of case actually, so I need to keep it inside this pouch. As it comes with this case, so it is a very good option. And so let me keep it aside for some time and see what else we get inside it. Okay, so this is the user manual, as you can see. So here, as you can see that some Digitech branding is done, and it is definitely a wired microphone, as you can see. And so here you will get this kind of metal clip, which is very much essential. And here you will get this kind of 3.5 mm pin, and all these things are here, as you can see. And if you want, you can definitely read this out, but it is of no use. So let me keep it aside and show you how the mic actually looks like. And so let me keep this case aside for now as well. So the case overall is very good, as you can see, and it is very much hard, so you can definitely keep any other accessories inside it too as well. And even if you want, you can keep this microphone, so don't throw it away after getting this, because it is a very good case, so you can definitely keep it. So let me keep it aside for now, and let me see what else we get inside it. And here you will find this extra 3.5 mm that jack. One extra jack is also provided, I guess. Yes, as you can see, this one. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so this is how the extra jack looks like here, as you can see. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And you will be offered with a separate one. And so let me keep it aside for now, and let's see what else we get. And so this is the microphone, as you can see. And so the build quality is definitely very good, and the wires are very long. So this is very much advantageous for those people who like to have this kind of long wired microphones, because it is definitely very usable kind of thing. So this is how it actually looks like, and here you will also be provided with this kind of thing, so that you can even manage, you can even wrap it up and play, so that it doesn't get messed up, this wire. And so one thing is that whenever we purchase any ordinary microphone for ourselves, we get this kind of wired type of thing, which we use to wrap with our microphone's wire, so that it remains in place. But in this particular microphone you will get a strap like this. As you can see, this one is a strap. So this thing is definitely a better option, so that you can arrange the wires, because the wire itself is very long. So in that case, to avoid the wires being tangled or mixed up, so in that case you need, all you need to do is to just wrap it up like this with the help of this band, and so it holds the thing in place. And after that you complete using it, then you can definitely put it inside this particular box. And so this is the actual reason why they provided this thing, and so it is a very good thing, I suppose. So this is how the microphone actually looks like. Here you will get this kind of soft head, which definitely comes with all these microphones. And this is overall very good, as I saw that it works with the all the smartphones and the cameras as well. And I don't know, I am not sure about the fact that whether it works with the desktop or PC or something like that. My previous one used to work with that, and so I have already made a video on that, then how you can connect your microphone with your desktop or PC. You can also find that video link in my description box down below. You can check it out. And so this is overall how it actually looks like. It also comes with this kind of pin. All you need to do is to just insert this thing like this. Okay, so this is how it fits, and you just need to plug it in inside the port, that is the headphone jack. And so this is the gold plated tip, as you can see. So these ones are very perfect and very good quality, of very good quality. And this is how the metal clip is very good. Previously my microphone's metal clip was not that much of good quality, as you can see, but this one is definitely a very good one. So now I will be giving you a test, that is the review of this microphone and how it sounds like actually without the microphone and with this microphone. So let's start. This particular clip which you are hearing now, I recorded it without using my microphone, that is I use no microphone for recording this particular clip. And so hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are interested in buying this kind of microphones for themselves. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one. And so the next clip I will be recording with using this microphone. So this particular clip's voice which you are hearing now, I recorded it using this particular microphone which I unboxed previously. And so hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are interested in buying this kind of microphones for themselves. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one. I hope after hearing all those previous clips you got a clear idea about the voice quality, that is the audio quality of this particular microphone. And at last I would like to say that you can definitely purchase this particular microphone if you are a beginner. If you are a small YouTuber like me, then you can definitely purchase it. And also it is very good microphone, and also you can purchase it if you do singing and all those kind of stuffs, or if you teach on all those things, then also you can definitely purchase this particular microphone, because the actual purpose of this kind of microphones is to enhance your normal voice so that it becomes clear. And also I would tell you that this microphone also provides a very good clear audio, and that is there is no issues with that. And so you can definitely purchase this particular microphone for yourself. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.